In lecture 5 we have discussed the basic view option. By using that we can view an object with different perspectives. Now I will see the stage view. In stage view the further view options that we can use, sometimes they are also very useful and helpful when we are doing in a project. First of all, draw some geometries. From here, modeling. I have explained in previous lecture how we can draw different geometries. Just go into a view option and there is an option called stage view. You have to click on this. When you will click, there is another window will be open. Now what are the different changes you can do here? If you want to show an axis, you can click here. You can change the background, and you can change the background by two different ways. First, you can select the color, can be one color or two color. You can also change the background with some specific image. First, here from here you can change the background color. Similarly, if you want to change the color of second window, you can also change it. You can also customize. You can define one color by selecting from here. Similarly, you can do a gradient view, a very clear view. The second view is background changing. From here, you can change by some custom image, and you can also change into some predefined image. Just click on this dialog box. You will see different predefined. You can also customize any image if you want to. Open it here. You can again hide it by just clicking on here. The second thing is, when we are working on a complex geometry, we want to study this object from this side, but the other object may distract. You can also hide this object. One way is just to hide this object and work on other object. But there is second method. You can move it as a center. Just click on this, and if you want to move all the axes away, so the objects that are created in different axes will move separately away. You can see that. Similarly, you can change any single axis objects as you want to move these objects. You can also change the way of moving objects into linear to exponential and logarithmic. Similarly, you can define the center of object as well for moving these objects. We will see when we do projects how these commands will help us. Similarly, if you want to focus on single object, you can just click on that object, other will be automatically hide. But also you can use here the focus command. You can see the outlets of a object and are in red color. If you want to see an object in original, you can change from here the shape of object. Similarly, the last one in stage view is reflection. You can show the object reflection on whatever axis you want to show it from here. You can show the shadow of object, and after that you can map it. You can show the shadow of object in some specific direction. You can change the color of an object as well. You can see the color of object become red.